Hello everyone. So here we shall solve some KCET previous year questions on the chapter complex numbers and quadratic equations. If you have any doubts regarding any question or in any of the steps of the solution, then please write us in the comment section. And if you feel that you have more difficulty in any of the chapters, then also please mention the name of that chapter in the comment section so that we shall give more priority on it and solve more questions on that chapter. Also, the homeworks on every chapter will be uploaded on the Sapience Education application. So please install our Sapience Education application, whose link has been provided in the description. So here we shall start. So in the previous video we had solved till the question number 33. So from question number 34, so this is z equal to root over 3 plus I whole cube into 3I plus 4 whole square divided by 8 plus 6I whole square. Then mod z is equal to how much? So here z will be equal to, we have to take the cube of this. So this is 3 root 3 plus I cube plus 3I into root 3 into a plus b, it's root 3 plus I, into this is 3I plus 4 whole square. So this is 9I square plus 16 plus 4 to the 8, 3 to the 24, 24I, divided by this is 64 plus 36I square plus 12 at 96I. So therefore z will be 3 root 3 minus I, since I cube is minus I, then plus this is the root 3 into root 3, that is 3 the 9I, plus this is I square, that is minus 1, I square is minus 1, then minus 3 root 3 into that will be 9I square, that is minus 9 plus 16 plus 24I, divided by this is 64 minus 36, that is 8, then 4, then that is 28 plus 96I. So therefore z will be equal to 3 root 3 will cancel, that is 8I into 24I plus 16 minus 9, that is 7, divided by 28 plus 96I. So therefore z will be equal to 24 8s are 8 4s are 32, with a 16, 192 minus 192 plus 7 8s are 56I, divided by this will be 28 plus 96I. Then z will be equal to, so from here 8 we can take as common, so 8 into 8 2s are 16, 4 8s are 32, minus then plus 7I, so divided by, this is 4 I can take as common, 4 7s are 28 plus 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16I, so 4 2s are 8. So this from here again I can take as common, this I can write 24I square, so this is 2I into 24I plus 7 divided by 24I plus 7. So these two will get cancelled, so z is equal to 2I actually. So therefore the mod z, that is equal to 2. So option D is the correct answer. Then here it is told that if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square minus ax plus b square, that is equal to 0, then alpha square plus beta square is equal to how much? So now here alpha and beta are the roots. So it means alpha plus beta, which is the sum of the roots, is minus b by a, that is a, and alpha into beta, that is equal to b square. And so alpha square plus beta square, that will be equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So alpha plus beta whole square means it is a square minus 2b square. So a square minus 2b square. So option C is the correct answer. Then we have to find the real part of this, okay, inverse of this. So we have to find 1 by the real part of 1 by 1 minus cos theta plus I sin theta. Now this can be written as 1 by 1 minus cos theta can be written as 2 sin square theta by 2, plus this can be written as I into 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Then from here 2 sin theta by 2 I can take as common. So 2 sin theta by 2 is common. Then we can write sin theta by 2 plus I cos theta by 2. So this will be 1 by 2 sin theta by 2 into this. Here we can multiply and divide by sin theta by 2 minus I cos theta by 2. Sin theta by 2 minus I cos theta by 2. So then this will be equal to sin square theta by 2 plus cos square theta by 2, and here I will have sin into sin theta by 2 minus I cos theta by 2. So this sin square theta plus cos square theta by 2, that is 1. So then this will be sin theta by 2 sin theta by 2 minus I cos theta by 2 divided by 2 sin theta by 2. So this will be half minus I into half cot theta by 2. So the imaginary part is half cot theta by 2, but the real part is half. So option A is the correct answer. Then we have to write the simplified form of this. So I power n plus I power n plus 1 plus I power n plus 2 plus I power n plus 3. So this we can, from here we can take I power n as common. Then this will be I1 plus I square plus I cube. So this will be I power n into 1 plus I, then this is minus 1, and this is minus I. So 1 will cancel, I will cancel. So I power n into 0, so that is equal to 0. So option A is the correct answer. So in any of the steps, if you are unable to understand or any doubts are there, then please write us in the comments section. If 1 plus I whole power m divided by 1 minus I, that is equal to 1. Sorry, whole power is there. Whole power of this. One plus I by 1 minus I whole power m, that is equal to 1. Then the least positive integral value of m is the least positive integral value of m is so then we have to first multiply and divide by 1 plus I. This will be 1 plus I into 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I into 1 plus I whole power m, that is equal to 1. So it means that this can be written as 1 plus I whole square divided by, this is 1 square minus I square whole power m, that is equal to I, that is equal to 1. So this can be written as, this will be 1 plus 1, that is 2. So this will be 1 plus I power 2m divided by 2 power m, that is equal to 1. So then this we can write 1 plus I whole square will be 1 plus I square plus 2i divided by 2 whole power m, that is equal to 1. So then 1 plus I square, this will cancel since I square is minus 1. So this is 2 by 2 will cancel. So I power m, that is equal to 1. So it means that m should be equal to 4. M should be equal to 4 or 8 or 12, etc. It means the least value of m is 4. Least positive integral value of m is 4. M can be 0 also actually. Okay. Or m can be minus 4 also, etc. But here only the least positive integral value is asked. So least positive integral value of m is 4. So option A is the correct answer. Then it is told that if 1 plus 1 minus I by 1 plus I whole power 96, that is equal to a plus ib, then a comma b is how much? Okay. So we have to multiply and divide by 1 plus 1 minus I. So this is 1 plus I into 1 minus I whole power 96, that is equal to a plus ib. So therefore it means this is 1 plus I square minus 2i divided by this is 1 minus I square whole power 96, that is equal to a plus ib. Now this 2 will cancel. Now this is minus 2i divided by 2 whole power 96, that is equal to a plus ib. So this will cancel. Now this is I power 96, that is equal to a plus ib. Now this can be written as I power 4 whole power 24, that is equal to a plus ib. So I power 4 is 1, so a plus ib, that is equal to 1. So I can write it as 1 plus I into 0. So a is 1 and b is 0. So a comma b, the value of a comma b is equal to 1 comma 0. Option B is the correct answer. Then here it is told that if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0, then so here we know that the roots of this equation is omega and omega square. Now we know that 1 plus omega square, that is equal to 1, and omega cube that is equal to 1. No, 1 plus omega square, that is equal to 0, sorry, and omega cube is equal to 1. Now therefore alpha square plus beta square, so therefore we can say that here alpha is equal to omega and beta equal to omega square. Now therefore alpha square plus beta square will be omega square plus omega power 4. Now this we can write omega square plus omega cube into omega. So omega cube is 1, so this will be omega square plus omega. So from here we can see that omega plus omega square, that is equal to minus 1. So this will be equal to minus 1. So option D is the correct answer. Then we shall solve the last question of this chapter. So here it is given z equal to x plus iy, then the equation mod of z plus 1 equal to mod of z minus 1. This represents what we have to tell. So if we put the value of z, which is x plus iy, then we will get x plus iy plus 1 mod of that is equal to x plus iy minus 1. So that will be equal to x plus 1 plus iy mod of this, that will be equal to mod of x minus 1 plus iy. So this will be x plus 1 whole square, that is square root of x plus 1 whole square plus y square, that is equal to square root of x minus 1 whole square plus y square. Now if we square on both sides, then we will get x plus 1 whole square plus y square, that is equal to x minus 1 whole square plus y square. So y square and y square will cancel out. Then we will have x plus 1 whole square minus x minus 1 whole square, that is equal to 0. So then if we factorize this, then we will get a plus b into a minus b. So x plus 1 plus x minus 1 into x plus 1 minus of x plus 1, that is equal to 0. So x and x will cancel here, 1 1 will cancel here. So this is 2x into 2, that is equal to 0. So it means x is equal to 0. So x equal to 0, it means it is the equation of y-axis. Equation of y-axis. Therefore, this represents the y-axis. So option C is the correct answer. So hope you have understood all the solutions of these questions. And any other doubts if you have, then please write us in the comments section. So thank you everyone.